There are some Facebook groups for practicing English. Many learners upload videos and practice English. But sometimes I notice that some people always give haha react on this type of post. They always laugh at their bad English. It makes me really sad. We should not laugh at someone's bad English. We should appreciate them. At least he or she is trying. So we should appreciate their effort. And we should always remember that English is just our language. It's just a medium of communication. We cannot judge someone's knowledge or intelligence by English speaking skills. Many of us are struggling with English speaking. Because of not knowing English, sometimes we lose our motivation, we lose our confidence. So for those people who can't speak properly, I want to say that please don't be demotivated. If you can't speak properly, if you make grammatical mistakes, if your pronunciation is not so good, it's really okay. Because you are not a native speaker of English. So don't lose your confidence. I make video in English. I know I'm not perfect, but I'm not afraid of making mistakes. Because if I always worry about mistakes, I cannot speak properly in front of camera. And I know English is just our language. It's just a medium of communication. We can't judge anyone's knowledge or intelligence by English, by this language. But yes, English is important. We all know English is important. We cannot deny the fact. So please don't let English be a barrier of sharing your knowledge. If you think that English is important for you, keep learning. If some people laugh at your English, never mind, because it's not your problem, it's their problem who laugh at your English. So please keep learning, don't be demotivated. And I want to say those people who are good at English, please help other people who really want to learn this language. And if you want to make someone's mistakes correct, be very polite. Don't let them feel embarrassed. So that's all about today's video. Thank you very much for watching. This is Asif signing out until we meet again.